welcome back to another video. It's your girl Grace Des, and I'm back with better and more, guys. My eyelashes are so crooked.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, right?
But it's picture day, and I'm taking you guys with me. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like doing a content day. Guys, I only have 3 outfits, but I'm carrying like 2 bags, and your girl is carrying too much. Like, too much is going on right now. I'm gonna tell you guys when I get there because I'm running so late right now. We're meant to meet at 12. Told me why it's gonna be like 12:35 right now. But the fits that I have are so cute, and the thing is, I have more fits in mind, but there's a part missing to the fit. That's why this fit is not gonna be in this vlog, and it's gonna be on another day. But guys, I look so cute. Like, forget the lashes, right? I look cute. The curls look extra like bouncy, but I'm gonna fix it when I get to the venue. Plus the wind is gonna blow it anyways. Hey guys, so we made it, and the place is so cute. So this is fit number 1, and I've got red heels as well. Hey guys, so this is fit number 2. As you can see, we're still in location 1, but we're gonna head to location 2 now. I love it. It's giving like 2000s. As for the cargo, it's like, hey, probably gonna fold it a bit, but yeah. See you guys at the next location. Fake supporter error. How was this girl telling me that the last YouTube video she watched of mine was when I done my makeup tutorial? That was a year ago in May. Hey guys, so we made it to location number 2, and because we're so hungry, we decided to get food. And I just got a Wagyu steak with fries and a baby Caesar salad. I would have got the buttermilk chicken sliders for the starters, but it's just too much. I feel like lately, I had cheese yesterday, right? I can't, like, the cheese is still hurting my belly, like. And it's weird because I can eat cheese. I used to eat cheese bears, like, when I was younger. Nothing would happen, but now.
Your Caesar salad is choice, but the dressing is fine. The dressing is fine. I'm a Caesar salad veteran.
So they just gave us a complimentary starter, whatever. So it is bread with butter and some oil on the side. You know, I hate at work when they make us break the napkins. You know how I was telling you I used to work at Raffles? They'll make us break the napkins.
What do you mean break the napkin?
It's just to open it and put it on their lap.
To the guests?
Yes, to the men and women. But I feel like some men thought it was weird, so they'll just be like, no. So. Body.
That bit is better than the bottom.
The sauce tastes like something. I don't know what, but I think I like it. Like oregano or something. Rosemary.
Like,
Why is it not staying on the plate?
It tastes like brioche, but it don't taste like brioche.
Yeah, it tastes like it wants to be brioche, but they didn't make it right.
But they definitely added sugar.
salad came. This looks so good. This is both of our first times at steakhouse.
Never been.
I should have asked for no anchovies. They're really salty.
Or try with the bread. Bro, I can't lie. The salt,
Would bang
the
with
bread, slaps.
Yeah. Oh, pictures. Let me take a picture. I actually like this. I like how, you know, when you go to a restaurant, there's no one here.
Yeah.
It's nice. That's really good.
And the wagyu, please. Medium well, please.
Medium. I always said nuts and
Fish.
Can I get the baby gem Caesar salad too, and the wagyu feather blade,
how you gonna cook it?
medium well? Guys, I'm cracking up because I'm telling this girl how yesterday I made chicken and prawn separately. So I made a chicken quesadilla
don't forget
and
what-
then prawn quesadilla with cheese. Like, prawn and cheese is normal, bro. People eat prawn and cheese all the time. When people eat Alfredo, what is that? That's cheese sauce and prawn. Oh, they're bringing our food.
But it's not like proper. Like, it's not proper. If you know what I'm trying to say. It's not proper.
What do you mean?
Like, they don't get prawns and cheese.
Ladies,
Thank you so much.
no fish, no nuts.
Thank you. Yes,
What did you say?
I said no one goes out their way to get prawns and cheese, bro. Yes,
Brother.
Alfredo, but Alfredo is creamy and they only put like one type.
Salt mince? Is the sauce nice? Oh,
Good that you got your napkin.
no, real. It went on the table though, but I didn't like that though. I don't like how the bottom touches the table. If you get what I mean.
Yeah.
Gonna take some photos of my food because why not? Why not? Like I say that in every video, but where's the chips? Wait here. Let's try fry 'em. So we just finished eating and we made it to the famous picture spot. Trying not to fall whilst holding this camera. Guys, I don't know why I act like this. Like I literally act like I drank 10 alcoholic drinks. Like I act like I'm crazy, but you know, it's just your girl's personality. Hi to my future husband. You finna have a time. You finna have a time. The sound of heels is so aesthetically pleasing. Hey guys, so we made it to location number 3. If anything, number 5. We've been everywhere today. This is fit number 5. My cousin said it's giving motive. It was giving motive, it's giving motive. Like that's the fit that applies. So this is the fit. And guys, the confidence has to be up because the amount of people walking past, like your girl is shook, but we have to do this. Hey vlog, so that's the end of the vlog. So we managed to do all 3 pictures today, guys. Tell me why We planned to meet up at 12, met up at 1, and it's 8. I got some revision to do, baby. I need to go home. But other than that, the shoot was successful. I need new hairstyle ideas for my next shoot. I really feel like I'm a model now. Like, I just feel like I'm that girl, and I'm so happy because this last shoot, 2 people complimented me. It just made me more confident. And yeah, see you guys in the next vlog because that's it for today.